Today in this video, I want to talk to you about an amazing scholarship that you can take to learn deep learning. All right, let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma, and in this video I want to talk about this amazing scholarship that I took last year in college. It's called Udacity's Bertelsmann Tech Scholarship. It's basically for 3 subjects. Number 1 is AI and machine learning and deep learning, the complete package. Second is data, and they'll be talking more about data warehousing, data science, and that aspect. And the third is cloud. Okay, so if you want to learn any of these 3 things, you can apply for Udacity Bertelsmann Scholarship. How do you apply, you ask? Well, it's pretty simple. You just go to their website, you just search for Udacity Bertelsmann Scholarship, and you will get their application form. Just fill it up. It's online. Just write down whatever you know about Python and what is your experience with Python. How much expertise do you have in computer science, and just write where are you from, what college are you from, what all you've done. So do that, and then you will be able to apply for this scholarship. Okay, so I remember last year I applied for this scholarship, and I actually got to take this complete course for free because of this scholarship. So this course basically I took the artificial intelligence track, and inside of that I got to learn a lot from the courses. The course lectures, it was based on using PyTorch to create machine learning models for there were multiple projects, as you can see on the screen. I'll put it over here. I don't really remember right now, but you can see over here, right? It has a complete list of all the projects that you can make using the lectures in the complete course. Okay, the second important thing is their amazing Slack community. So if you want to enter into this scholarship, you will have to join this Slack community. And inside of that, people share a lot of resources, people share a lot of free resources, people like to talk and collaborate with each other. So it's just an amazing environment of people that want to learn something. I think the last time I saw it had like 15,000 members. It's just really amazing. You should really check out this complete scholarship. It is completely for beginners. If you have no experience in artificial intelligence, it does not matter. You can apply for this, although you do need some experience in Python. So do remember that if you want to just go through this course smoothly, you will need to have some experience in Python. Okay, so yeah, this scholarship, I really enjoyed it. I'll actually show you how can you apply when we'll go into the laptop and see. Okay, so the last date of applying for this scholarship is 16th of November 2020. Do apply for this. The results will come out in December, I think, and then you will have a 3 to 5 month long course wherein you can just consume these courses, and you can interact with people. They have a really amazing community. I really enjoyed just talking to people and learning from them. So that was really amazing. Next, if you can submit the final project, at the end you will get the certificate, and then you will also get the chance to take it to the next level by enrolling into their next course, which goes into more detail into deep learning and talks about more advanced concepts of deep learning. Okay, in the first course they just talk about convolutional neural networks and how can you use computer vision to build models. In the next ones, they talk more about natural language processing. So highly recommended for all of you if you are excited about deep learning. Do check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. But yeah, now let's go into the laptop and see exactly how can you apply. All right, let's go. All right, so as you can see, this is the main homepage. You just simply have to type Udacity Bertelsmann Scholarship, and this is where you will land yourself. And as you can see, this one has hands-on learning, master curriculum, get career ready. Basically how it works is that you have to just sign up. You have to be 18 years of age or older, interested in cloud computing, data science, or artificial intelligence. Okay, and so basically this is sponsored by Bertelsmann, and it will be done on the Udacity's platform. Okay, so they will be having courses, and then you can also join the Slack community. So this is the challenge. Okay, so these 3 tracks you will be doing. 15,000 people will be allotted this. 3.5 months will be given to you, and yeah, you have to do like 3 to 5 hours study per week. Okay, and once you have done that, at the end you have to submit the final project, and the people who will submit that will get selected for another nano degree program. Okay, so the previous one was a challenge course to see which are the people who are dedicated, 3.5 months, and after that they have a full 6-month long nano degree program. Okay, if you want to go into AI track, that is what I took, then you can get this nano degree program, AI product manager, which if you want to buy, this would be like really expensive. I think it's like 45,000, 90,000 something. Okay, so it's quite expensive. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It's available for free if you finish everything that they want you to do in this program, in the challenge. Okay, so that's what I wanted you to know about this. You can see these are the sponsors. The Bertelsmann Group is sponsoring this. You can apply right now, and you can just take a look at what all they'll be teaching you over here. I think it's really amazing. I myself did this last year, and I got to learn a lot from this, right? So I would highly encourage all of you to just check this out. Application phase starts at 15 September, and right now it's like 18 September. Okay, so yeah, application phase ends on 16 November. So make sure that you sign up for this before 16 November to avail all of these benefits. This is a great value for all of you who don't have the money to buy a course on Udemy or something. This will teach you a lot. This is more than just a Udemy course or a Coursera course. This goes in depth. And again, you have the collaborative learning experience in the Slack community. A lot of people made friends, and then they went on to start their own startups with the help of this Slack community. So it's really powerful. And as you can see, the course starts from the 3rd of December 2020. Challenge courses ends on 15th of March. And the nano degree program, if you are able to make up to this part, will start from the 25th of March. Okay, so again, great value for all of you who don't want to or who don't have the resources to spend to buy these courses. Highly recommended. Go check it out. You don't need to have any previous experience. You just need to know a little bit of Python. Okay, as you can see, what are the prerequisites over here? It's written. I'll leave the link to this complete website in the description for all of you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. So yeah, thank you so much. You can also ask me questions on my Instagram. It's called @ishansharma7390. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, and make sure that you take advantage of this amazing scholarship program. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.